Alright, man. You ready to do this?
Let's do this.
Alright.
Let's get them tangos.
Let's do this.
Let's do this. Oh!
Alright. What are we gonna do?
We're gonna throw snowballs.
Yeah, alright, that works.
Yeah.
Let's do this.
Can't high five you. You're wearing mittens. You woman. Hobo. Let's do this.
You can't get me! You can't get me! Oh, you hit the... Oh, I got hit! Get some! Get some! He's been hit! Oh, I got you there! I got you!
Oh my god, did I hit you too hard?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright, the snow is getting back up. You know, why don't we go inside? I'll make you all hot chocolate.
Oh yeah, guys, go inside. Me and Cody are gonna stay out here, build snowman.
Yeah, snowman!
Cody.
Alright.
Yeah, okay. That's fine, snowman.
Let's got some delicious cocoa.
Yeah. Quacks.
Alright, let's build us a snowman.
Yeah, let's roll up some balls.
Ew!
No, not like that, dude.
How do you mean?
Making a snowman.
Oh! He's gonna have testicles?
What are we watching?
Sarah Palin, Alaska.
Why would they make a reality TV show about a stupid government official?
They're all idiots, so why not her?
I don't know. Oh man, I forgot to make my cocoa.
You're an idiot. What you doing?
Oh, well, just find some stuff for the snowman.
Alright, that's cool.
You know, would be the nose, so.
So, like, how would you forget to make the cocoa? I mean, it's right there.
I don't know. The snowstorm, you know, I just...
There's nothing wrong with a snowstorm, okay? Snowstorm isn't that bad.
Hey, snowstorms make me forget. I don't know why, alright?
How? Does it, like, come
Look
inside?
at the shiny dime.
Does a snowstorm come inside with, like, a shovel and smack around your brain cells?
What are we talking about?
Do you have short-term memory loss? Because that's what it seems like.
Can I have some of your cocoa?
No. Hey! Oh, this is a shiny dime. Oh, it's a 2010 dime, too. That's pretty cool. But anyways, I wouldn't know why would you forget to make the cocoa? I mean, the storm should not be able to do that.
Oh, wait a minute. I had the wrong cup. Here's my cocoa.
How would you get the wrong cup?
What are you talking about?
You would... Alright, let's focus on this really terrible TV show. Alright, she's a government official. Now, why would she do that?
I don't know what perspective I'm looking at it from, but whatever perspective it is, it actually is a good show.
No, you cannot do that with a cucumber. That is wrong. That is disgusting. You know, pickle.
What?
Oh, that poor taxi driver. I feel bad for him.
I should hit you over the head.
No, do you see what's going on?
Yeah! She's teaching penguins how to fish, and that taxi cab driver was an Eskimo.
Doesn't matter if it's an Eskimo or not.
Where do you get taxi driver from?
It's a this is a taxi, okay? That is a taxi.
Then we're not watching the show you said.
Alright, then where's remote?
This is Jerry Springer.
This... Well, it is.
And now, sir, I am done talking to you.
I knew you could get sucked into Jerry Springer shows. Made me think of watching Sarah Palin, Alaska. I'm changing the channel. Ooh, a fight. Even though I know it's totally fake, it's pretty awesome. It was empty. Yo, dude, the news.
And now time for the random weather report. There's a dangerous snowstorm coming here in about 5 seconds.
That's a lie.
No, it's not. 3, 2, 1.
That is scientifically impossible.
Dude, there is a storm outside.
Yeah, we better go get Charlie and Cody back inside.
Dude, do you think they're gonna be okay?
It's just a snowstorm. Whoa! Oh my god, that's cold.
This is strong enough to blow someone away.
It's not gonna blow us away, dude. Alright?
Man,
You know why? We're men. We don't let wind hurt us.
my balls shrunk into my body. That's how cold it is out here.
I didn't think you had balls.
What's that supposed to mean?
It's supposed to mean that you're probably just a little wind.
Well, what are you gonna do about it? Why are we arguing in the middle of a snowstorm? Let's go find our friends.
Oh, you're really funny, Harold.
Cody? Charlie?
Yeah, like they're really gonna hear over the roar of the storm.
Cody? Charlie?
Yeah, that works a lot better.
Let me call them. Bad reception.
This is a terrible wind. Alright, they're not gonna be in this backyard. We're gonna have to go literally out on the streets and look for them, because I'm thinking that'll be the safest place.
Yeah, you know, that's perfect because we'll go look for them out in the middle of the streets and there's still people driving out there. And with the snowstorm going on, we could also get hit by a car. Let's do it.
Charlie.
Oh my god. Dude. What the hell happened?
I don't know what happened.
Oh, where's my hat?
I don't know. What happened?
How about we ask that obviously dangerous looking guy?
Looks kind of creepy, but oh well. Okay.
Can we help you?
I'm gonna mug you. Ah! A salesman!
It's a mugger, you idiot.
You friend's right.
Do you got ice cream?
No, I don't got ice cream, you idiot.
Jeez, your grammar's off.
Who cares about my grammar? I'm here to mug you.
Well, you got nothing to mug because my hat flew off, my phone flew off, my wallet flew off. So it's like your business here is done. Sorry, man. Just walk along now.
Bye.
I've got perfectly enough to mug. I've got two boobs right here who don't even know what you're doing.
Did you just say boobs? You just said boobs.
I'll start off with this moron friend of yours. You don't mind me. Idiot. You're next.
It's just a little push. I can take it.
Oh, I'm not gonna push you.
What a baby.
Not a baby! I'm a villain!
Found my hat.
How'd you get over there?
Well, you guys were crying.
I didn't cry.
Yeah, you did. I saw you, baby.
You like that, Tommy? Oh yeah? Well, okay. So you like this. How you like that?
Baby.
This is not worth my time. Should just go back to law school.
Law school are for babies.
Law school is for those who want to be winners!
Where's he going?
Law school?
Baby.